Do you want to know a secret on how Brinkley RV is built to a higher standard? I'm about to reveal one way Brinkley is recreating the RV experience. Hi, I'm Brian, and I'm excited to show you the scrutiny each and every coach goes through to be called a Brinkley RV. At Brinkley, we take immense pride in producing the highest quality RV. To reach this new level of excellence, before even the first Brinkley was built, our designers and engineers identified all the issues that have plagued our industry for years and built the solutions into the design. It takes a steadfast commitment to quality throughout our build process. With robust checkpoints, we are able to deliver on our promise. As RVers ourselves, we know the abuse an RV will endure throughout its lifetime, on and off the road. That's why every Brinkley undergoes a rigorous road simulation test. We pioneered this industry-exclusive testing process and equipment to challenge every aspect of the vehicle, from the suspension to the slide-outs, cabinetry, and everything in between. Exposing every component to these jolts and vibrations, our skilled technicians keep a close eye on both the interior and exterior of the RV. Once the road simulation test is complete, our technicians conduct a thorough inspection of your Brinkley RV, verifying every component properly functions and meets our high standards for fit and finish, exceeding the industry norm. We also use this process to validate the additional steps we've taken throughout each stage of the build process to ensure as little construction debris is left behind as possible. If any adjustments are needed, our technicians make the necessary changes before the vehicle goes through our extensive 350-point pre-delivery inspection. So, why do we go through all this trouble? It's simple. We're committed to keeping you out on the road camping. This meticulous process is one example of how Brinkley RV is recreating the RV experience.